In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mention Jira issues in a comment within Jira. This is a simple yet powerful feature that allows you to reference other issues directly in your comments, making collaboration and navigation much more efficient. So let's dive right in and get started with the first step. To begin, you need to navigate to the project you're working on. It's important to ensure you're in the right project because this context forms the foundation for all tasks you perform within Jira. Once you're within the relevant project, all actions and changes you make will accurately reflect the specific workspace you're dealing with. Next, you'll want to go to the top of your screen where you'll find the option labeled Issues. Click on Issues to view a list of all issues associated with the project. This section is your gateway to accessing individual issues, where you can track progress, make updates, and leave comments such as the ones we'll work on today. Now, identify and open the Jira issue where you'd like to add your comment. This could be a task, a bug, or any other type of issue you are involved with. Once the issue is open, scroll to the comments section. This is where you will type out your message along with the reference to other Jira issues. In the comment section, type the issue key of the Jira issue you want to mention. For example, you might use something like PROJ123. This issue key acts as a unique identifier, linking directly to that specific issue within the project. It's a shorthand that empowers you to create clear connections between issues swiftly. With the issue key typed in, Jira will perform its magic. As soon as you enter the key, Jira will automatically convert it into a clickable link to that issue. This means any team member reading your comment can instantly navigate to the mentioned issue with just a click. It's a seamless way to enhance communication and ensure that important details are easily accessible to everyone involved. Finally, once you're satisfied with your comment and the issue mentions are correctly set, you'll want to save your work. Click the Save button to ensure your comment, along with any mentions, is stored and available for your colleagues to see. Saving ensures that your input is recorded and contributes to the ongoing conversation around the issue. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can effectively mention Jira issues in your comments, enhancing communication and connectivity within your team. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful in making your Jira experience smoother and more productive. Be sure to stay tuned for more tips and tricks on making the most out of Jira and other project management tools.